How to import or add contacts in Brevo. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import or add contacts in Brevo. Let's get started. First, head over to your Brevo dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Contacts. Then at the top right corner, click on Import Contacts. Now, you will see two ways to import contacts. Let's start with the first one. To upload a file, click on Upload a File. Make sure you have a CSV file ready. Upload your CSV file. Next, map each column into your file to the corresponding contact fields in Brevo. Then, choose the list you want to add these contacts to. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. To copy and paste contacts, go back and click on Import Contacts. This time, choose Copy Paste your contacts. Now, type or paste your email address into the box. One per line or separated by commas. Just like before, map the data to the correct Brevo fields. Then, choose the list to assign the contacts to. Once you're ready, click Confirm. And that's it. You have successfully imported contacts into Brevo. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.